Hello everyone, this is Prince here and today we will learn about how to install N8N on your system. So let me show you the step. First you need to have Node.js installed on your system. If you don't have, so you can download it from the official website. So let me show you how to install the Node.js on your system. Now you can able to see my laptop screen and now I will show you how to install Node.js on your system. So first of all you have to just type nodejs.org, which is the official website of Node.js. After that just click get Node.js. Then here you can see the download button. Just click and just download this software. After downloading, just install this Node.js on your system. There is a simple step to install the Node.js in your system. Just complete the installation part. Here as you can see my installation part is completed. Now just open the CMD on your system and you have to write some command here. I will show you. So here you have to write npm space in8n space -g. After that just hit the enter button and you have to wait for some time. It's take some minutes or seconds. It's depend on your internet connection, so you have to wait for some time. Actually this is the step to install the N8N. Or now you can see the installation part is completed here. To use this you have to go through only CMD because there is no logo or anything else, so you have to just write one command to use N8N. So just write here N8N start. After that hit the enter button and now you have to wait for few seconds only. Now you can see here it's started the server. Just you have to press O to open your browser, otherwise you can go through local host. I will show you. Here as you can see my N8N is successfully installed on my system and it's done successfully. If you want to manually open on your system, so you have to write localhost 5678. So this is the only few step to install the N8N on your system. So I will meet you in another videos.